Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nossos programas oferecem vários idiomas. Acesse suprememastertv.com/schedule.
हमारे कार्यक्रम पेश किए जाते कई भाषाओं में कृपया देखें suprememastertv.com/schedule。
我们的节目提供多种语言，请看 suprememastertv.com/schedule。
Rancangan kami menawarkan banyak bahasa. Sila kunjungi suprememastertv.com/kataban schedule.
برامجنا متوفرة بالعديد من اللغات. يرجى زيارة suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Наши программы предлагают много языков. Пожалуйста, посмотрите suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Naše programy nabízejí více jazyků. Prosím, navštivte suprememastertv.com/schedule.
That's why we have to protect the environment, because it's protect us. Yes. All the trees, they don't say anything, but they finally radiate their peacefulness, and the oxygen from them is helping us to calm our mind.
Please continue watching to find out more.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Today's episode will be presented in English with subtitle in Arabic, Aulacese, also known as Vietnamese, Bulgarian, Chinese, English, French, German, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Mongolian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, and Thai. Mes joyeuses salutations, téléspectateurs remplis de compassion. Je suis Vincent de la Bretagne, en France, le pays qui charme les cœurs. Notre peuple plein d'esprit salue votre engagement en faveur de la justice et de l'égalité. La France est connue comme l'un des pays les plus romantiques au monde et elle est réputée pour sa cuisine, sa culture et son histoire. Le pays est une des destinations touristiques les plus populaires depuis fort longtemps. Et c'est sans surprise compte tenu de ses nombreuses attractions célèbres telles que le côté chic de la ville de Paris, la Côte d'Azur ensoleillée, les châteaux de la Loire, le Louvre à Paris, considéré comme l'un des musées les plus célèbres du monde, et bien plus encore. La philosophie moderne est née en France avec le philosophe René Descartes qui a produit certaines des œuvres les plus importantes et les plus influentes du siècle des Lumières, qui se sont répandues en Europe et dans le monde. L'architecture gothique et baroque est également née en France et a été acclamée dans le monde entier. Les premiers monuments de ce type étant la basilique de Saint-Denis, la cathédrale Notre-Dame de Paris et le château de Versailles. La peinture impressionniste, appréciée de par le monde, est née avec entre autres des artistes français avant-gardistes de renom tels que Cézanne, Degas, Matisse, Monet et Renoir. Véritable précurseur mondial, la France progresse rapidement en matière de protection des animaux et de politique écologique. La Vegan Pride comprend 3 jours de manifestations et de réunions avec des politiciens faisant campagne contre la cruauté envers les animaux. C'est un grand événement qui est organisé chaque année à Paris. Des milliers de Français célèbrent aussi la journée sans viande le 20 mars, le premier jour du printemps, en partageant leur amour de la nourriture végétalienne dans le cadre de cet événement international inspirant. La France est un pays magnifique à bien des égards, et sa beauté est due en partie aux citoyens français aimants et pleins d'âme. Nous sommes heureux de vous présenter brièvement la France majestueuse, téléspectateurs épris de paix. Nous prions pour que vous ressentiez la présence de Dieu dans tout ce que vous faites. Depuis plus de 3 décennies, le Maître suprême Ching Hai éclaire notre monde de ses enseignements divins. Maître totalement illuminé, elle enseigne la méthode de méditation Guanyin à ceux qui désirent découvrir immédiatement la nature de Dieu intérieur et parvenir en cette vie à la libération éternelle du cycle de la réincarnation. La méthode Guanyin a été pratiquée par tous les maîtres illuminés, tels que le Bouddha, Confucius, Guru Nanak, Jésus-Christ, Lao Tse, le Seigneur Krishna, le Seigneur Mahavira, le prophète Mahomet, que la paix soit avec lui, et bien d'autres. Elle souligne que si nous nous souvenons toujours de Dieu, rendons service aux autres de façon désintéressée et suivons les lois de l'univers, nous atteindrons notre potentiel le plus élevé en tant qu'être humain et comprendrons vraiment notre mission sur Terre. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai est un extraordinaire exemple vivant de compassion, envoyant régulièrement une aide matérielle et financière, ainsi que de l'amour aux réfugiés, aux sans-abri, aux victimes de catastrophes naturelles et à d'autres nécessitant des secours. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai est profondément reconnaissante envers Dieu bien-aimé pour toute l'aide financière, le réconfort et soutien qu'elle a pu apporter aux affligés et nécessiteux et ou à toute bonne cause au fil des ans, en tant qu'humble instrument de sa compassion et de son amour pour ses précieux enfants. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai remercie respectueusement tous les individus spéciaux, organisations, leaders et gouvernements pour tout votre soutien sincère, aimant et continuel. Que le ciel vous bénisse pour toujours. Nous, les membres de l'Association internationale du Maître suprême Ching Hai, sommes aussi sincèrement reconnaissants pour votre gentillesse expressive. Nous vous adressons nos meilleurs vœux. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai reçoit le soutien et l'amour de diverses organisations, médias, gouvernements et particuliers, et il lui décerne de nombreux prix, notamment le prix Gouzi de la paix en 2006, considéré comme le prix Nobel de la paix en Asie. Le prix du leadership spirituel mondial en 1994, le prix Mahavir en 2008, le 22 février et le 25 octobre, tous deux proclamés jour du Maître suprême Ching Hai. Et elle est la citoyenne honoraire des États-Unis, etc. Et elle a été honorée au fil des ans de nombreux autres prix et reconnaissances pour ses actions philanthropiques et humanitaires exceptionnelles. Nous nous excusons de ne pouvoir montrer les nombreux autres prix et honneurs par manque de place et de temps. Le Maître suprême Qingkai remercie respectueusement tous les individus spéciaux, organisations, leaders et gouvernements pour tout votre soutien sincère, aimant et continuel. Que le ciel vous bénisse pour toujours. Nous, les membres de l'Association internationale du Maître suprême Qingkai, sommes aussi sincèrement reconnaissants pour votre gentillesse expressive. Nous vous adressons nos meilleurs vœux. Véritable voix pour nos magnifiques amis les animaux, le Maître suprême Qingkai promeut l'alimentation végane, pacifique et aimante et rêve qu'une fois que l'humanité réalisera le caractère sacré de toute vie, nous aurons un monde totalement végane, paisible et glorieux, où les animaux et les humains vivront en harmonie parfaite. Ces initiatives pour diffuser la tendance végane sont multiples. Elles ont inclus la distribution du dépliant de mode de vie alternatif, les restaurants véganes internationaux Lovengut, les sociétés de produits alimentaires véganes, des produits en fourrure végane, Supreme Master Télévision, ainsi que des conférences régulières avec les dirigeants de gouvernements et des médias, et sa participation à des conférences télévisées sur le changement climatique, etc. Que nous le sachions ou non, ces efforts ont eu une énorme influence en sensibilisant, de par le monde, au mode de vie qui respecte les animaux et au fait que cette voie bienveillante peut apporter une paix durable entre les nations, tout en sauvant notre planète du changement climatique et des catastrophes. Pendant des années, le Maître suprême Qingkai a voyagé dans le monde entier, des Amériques en Afrique, de l'Europe à l'Océanie, et elle a donné des centaines de conférences, en public ou à ses disciples, sur divers sujets spirituels. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes bénis de vous présenter une de ces conférences instructives intitulée « Histoire bouddhique, le mérite de la charité, le respect des 5 préceptes » et Brahma demande le Dharma, 10e et dernière partie, dans Entre maître et disciple, donné en anglais le 3 août 2015.
Where you going, my winter sun? Won't you miss me?
Is it working? Hello. Okay. I love you very much. I want to spend a lot of time with you all the time. Just the condition in this world is not always possible. You understand everything I say? Yes. I'm sorry for me also. not just you. Close the door, otherwise you come in here. Yeah. Otherwise the neighbors will come and tell us what time it is. Even though we all have clock already. We all have a telephone, we all know what time, but he'll come and remind us. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. It's 12. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you guys are comfy, not comfy, okay, huh? It's so squeezy like this. You are really good. I mean, at least apparently good. Yeah. In heaven, we can be together all the time. It's more sure. More sure. Over there's no time limit. Yeah. And each one can have one master to take home. Yeah. Show them the cockpit. You come home to love. Yeah. To careful, to have company. Here, even if the master manifested many bodies, you don't even see it. And the physical body of you is so big, you can't put it in your pocket to take all that. Physical body is really different from the heavenly bodies that we have. Okay, we make the best out of our situation. Yeah. I'm coming home now, checking out all the possibility of a better, bigger land, you know, but today we have some, but it's not always as good as we want it, you know. That the place has to be suitable in many different ways. Have to have, you know, at least trees, you know, many trees. We practitioners, we like nature, you know. So even though, for example, the airport is very cheap and have all the facility and it's affordable, but what do we do with all the cement? You know, I don't know if we feel well in it. I imagine it, and I thought maybe we don't feel well already. You know, even though we sit there, but we have nothing around it, you know. I don't see any trees around, do you?
Yes, sir.
It's really concrete. I'm not sure if you will feel well in it. Maybe you feel well anywhere, of course. Yeah?
Master 住在那里都可以。
Yeah, but Master won't feel well. I'm used to the trees, you know, I like it. I like oxygen from the trees, I like to see greenery. And you don't know it, but it affects you a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is some experiment in some school, you know, school. They have two schools, one with a lot of greenery and one with nothing. There's a big difference between the students of two schools. Yeah. They're healthier, they're more intelligent, more concentrated, easy to learn. The concentration span is longer, you know. They don't get distracted so easily. And they're more peaceful. That's why we have to protect the environment, because it protects us. Huh?
Yes.
All the trees, they don't say anything, but they quietly radiate their peacefulness, you know, and the oxygen from them is helping us to calm our mind. Imagine if we don't have enough oxygen. I don't know, I just, scientifically speaking, it's like that, but before I knew all the scientific research, I already feel that trees are good for me. I just feel good, you know, being under them. And even my dogs, they try to find a tree to know their neck or something, or lay under the tree. See what I mean? Yeah, it's cooler and it's just feel peaceful. So even though I'm very tempted to buy the airport with all the facilities and big room and everything, I'm not sure if we like it. Besides, I'm not sure how long we can bear it, you know? And if I have to live there day in, day out, waiting for you, you know, it's probably too dry, suffocating. Yeah. So there's another place nearby here. It's not very big, but it's big enough for us to use. If we don't have retreat, like many thousand people come at once, then it's okay. And you come every weekend, you know, whenever you have time. Whoever has time, they come weekend, understand? Then probably just several hundred at a time, then it's very nice. But since we have to make more facility, you know, there's only houses, some houses there, apartments, or maybe 4 or 5 bathrooms maximum. So every place has something. Of course, there are islands and all that. Of course, maybe we can put our money together and buy it, but I'm not sure if it's all worth it, you know? I'm not sure. I'm not sure of anything. Also, I have to feel good, you know? Feel good in it. Feel good that we go there, we will feel happy. Yeah. We have no rush, or maybe I just take the one nearby here, yeah, and very near the beach, and have some trees, right? It looked like I have some trees. Did they have a video coming back?
Yes, he's working on it tomorrow morning.
Working on it, okay. Why? Why have to work on it?
He's alive and he wants to get his own.
Ah, okay. Oh, but I think the toilets, no problem. We can rent them immediately. Yes, sir. This is okay then. But I also am not sure, because so many people, maybe they're not used to it. It's a camping area maybe, but nobody ever camped there. They always stay in the room, right? Yeah. Not too many people camping. So they're not used to with this influx of so many people, especially all this kind of face, you know? Slit eyes and from where, you know? Yeah. It's not only Taiwan, it's China, Thailand, Vietnam, Burma, Mongolia, Japan, they all look similar. It's all, you know, eat so much rice, so the eyes look like rice grain. Maybe it's okay. 1 second. I have to work here, but at least you can see me, huh? Wow. Okay. Wow, good. Wow. 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 No, they have neighbor, but she said the neighbors are nice. They don't feel bothered, even party until 3 o'clock in the morning. But that's what the owner say, but we don't know yet until we get there. Yeah, that's good. It's good. Okay, it's okay. We can wait, huh? September until it's clear. Huh? If we buy, then she won't book again. She won't book anymore then. 6 bathrooms, that's all we have over there. So I reckon each one of you wait about 3 hours. You know, to take turn, you know. It's similar to Thailand. Now your dream broken, huh? Before, and now, But when they see all these farmers coming, all kind of nationality farmers, don't know what they're planting. They just come to harvest. And I don't see any olive trees there. So I don't know what kind of excuse we have to keep this land as a farmland. I don't know. We don't know until we try, okay? Wait until the quiet neighbor who don't mind the party until 3 o'clock in the morning, see all of you coming. Then we will see the test, no? Even Chakra God will not come down test us and say, forget this group. They're too powerful. Overwhelming with population, you know? We overwhelm him with manpower, you know? Yeah, dare him come down here, huh? Test any of us, we will test him instead.
That's why you do the American.
Huh? Okay, wood oven and gas. 3,000 square meter. The orchard is 3,000, and the next big place is 4,000. It's not like the whole place, yeah. And then thousands of people can sit under fruit tree. I don't see any fruit trees there, or in the garden. Only 1,000 people? Oh man, okay. There's a hill also available. How can we use it if it's a hill? You know, sitting upside down. You can sit and then have an umbrella next to it. Greenhouse, 2,000, yeah, that we can use that one, huh? 2,800 square meter. How many people can sit in it? 2,800, right? 1 square meter for one person, is that correct? You all have to go on diet, okay? You have to slim down. The house next door also small. Normally 1 square meter for each person, but now I reduce it to half a square meter. So all of you, go on diet, okay? No more eating for 1 week. Don't complain if there's no food in the kitchen. My God, eating vegetarian and it's like that. Okay, I guess we could manage, you know, if we don't have a retreat, if we don't have a big influx of people coming at the same time, then there's no problem. Whatever place is, it's always good. It's just that we don't have room to move if we want to have like a festival, everybody can come together, you know? And like Mother Day, Christmas or something, then it will be knap, yeah, it's short. Every place has something that I don't like and I like, you know? Good and bad. Especially only 6 toilets. But this we can rent, it's okay. We can make a quick temporary bath shelter, you know? Yeah, just put a canvas and you know, divide it and then take a shower inside. And then we can make like a free water system, a big pipe, you know, and then put some bucket under, and then everyone has a tap, you know, and you can clean your teeth there and talk at the same time. Your teeth real? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What are you talking about? It's real. Mind your own teeth. Otherwise, we will never have enough bathroom for all of you, you know. I will stretch a pipe, you know, a water pipe, a long water hose, yeah? And then either make water tap on it or just dig holes, you know. Yeah. I get just one control tap, you know. And 6 o'clock, everybody come out. Stand in front of your hole. Your name on it. Now I'm going to open the tap. Begin. Quickly brush your teeth. You have 3 seconds. Yeah. Everyone stand in line. No time to chat, you know. That will be fun, huh? Yeah, tell you. Dreaming costs nothing. Yeah, we buy some places, but we can't always use it. I don't know, it depends also on your big karma as well, you know, collective karma, it's not only me or... So if we can have this, then it's good. If we cannot, then it's okay. Yeah? And just don't come all together at one time, then it's okay. I will try to stay long, huh? Okay, and every weekend you can come. I don't mind, just more comfortable for you, yeah? I have my hut in my own bathroom. I don't care. What?
We are okay.
We are okay. I was thinking, it's like, we are. I wonder what kind of language. What do you mean is okay? Okay. Yeah. I'm okay too, huh? Yeah, like Chinglish. Yes. Yeah. It would be good if we have a big hall, you know, then everyone can sit in, and then I just sit in one place and everybody can see me. That would be the best, you know. But if not, then at the moment, that place is probably bigger than this one. It just don't have enough bathroom. I don't know, probably have to go and have a look. If I look at the TV, maybe I see it. At the video. When we're ready, tomorrow morning. Okay. Maybe we can move there. Also, very little facility. But it has water, no? Lake, it's so nice. It's a long walk around the lake. You can walk, exercise, very nice. It's just they're also very small, 2,000 square meters. And I don't know how long it lasts, because right now maybe enough, but if more people come, you know, then not enough. Okay, it doesn't matter. Thank you anyway for your love. The flashlight. It's a magical power of the Earth Kingdom. Look at this. See? Now there's plenty of magical power. It's so common. Even 100 years ago, even this is a miracle, right? That I can talk to you with this machine. Incredible. I really love you. Physical world is so difficult, huh? Go home, come on. Sleep well.
I want to break these chains of my desperation.
Téléspectateurs bienveillants, Merci de vous être joint à nous pour le programme d'aujourd'hui intitulé Histoire bouddhique, le mérite de la charité, le respect des 5 préceptes et Brahma demande le Dharma, 10e et dernière partie dans Entre maître et disciple. Dans un instant, retrouvez la conscience cosmique, le sanctuaire du soi de l'ordre rosicrucien. Première partie de 2 épisodes dans Paroles de sagesse, juste après les nouvelles d'exception. Restez sur Supreme Master Télévision pour plus de programmes positifs. Que la tranquillité intérieure apporte la paix et l'harmonie dans votre vie. Benevolent viewers, thank you for joining us for today's program entitled Buddhist Stories, the Merit of Charity and Keeping the 5 Precepts, and Brahma asks for Dharma, part 10 of 10, on Between Master and Disciples. Coming up next is Cosmic Consciousness from the Rosicrucian Orders, the Sanctuary of Self, part 1 of 2, on Words of Wisdom, right after Noteworthy News. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television for more positive programming. May the tranquility within bring you a life of peace and harmony.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/BMD.